I chose to live tiny. It just seemed right for me. I live alone. I don't need a lot. My community is Orlando Lakefront, and I love it here. When you downsize, you have to get rid of a lot. So you end up keeping whatever is really most important to you. So this is my wonderful space. Hi, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome to my tiny home. I chose to live tiny because I felt quite unstable moving to different apartments, and I started thinking about the possibilities, about where I could live or who could build my house. It just seemed right for me. I live alone. I don't need a lot. I've been here almost 6 years. So my house is 160 square feet, 8 feet by 20 feet on a custom trailer. So if I wanted to, I can travel. My house was built by Cornerstone Tiny Homes. They told me at first I couldn't have a bathtub, but bubble baths are important to me, so they incorporated it and worked around it. So I lost some counter space, but I have enough, so I'm good. My community is Orlando Lakefront, and I love it here. I bought my house and placed it here, and I pay the rental spot, and I pay for internet. Water's included. I do pay for electric. We have a wonderful fire pit by the water. It's a beautiful view. We have a community garden. We have a boat that we can rent or canoes that we can use. I enjoy my house very much. It seems to give me more time to enjoy. It's simpler to take care of. It's just not as complicated as a 2,000 square foot house, let's say. It's very intimate, and it just seems very special. Welcome to my home. This is Magnolia. I love living here. It's very peaceful and beautiful. I picked all the colors for my home. The color of my house is quite fun. I guess like an avocado sort of color. I have a beautiful deck that my friend built for me, pretty much the size of my house, so it's quite an extension, and lots of plants that I enjoy. I like having a water out here and just sitting and relaxing, coloring, reading sometimes. I have a bubble maker, so that's fun. I have a wonderful shelf, a space-saving shelf that collapses, that I can keep plants on, and I can have lunch here. I come home on break. I work very close. So I sit and have my lunch. Yeah, I better shut off the bubbles. But they're fun. I like to keep talk around and write messages, and then the rain comes and then I have to write another message. I have storage out here. I had it built. I've been here just about 6 years. Gardening is therapeutic for me, so I try and be out here as often as possible. I have a grill for entertaining occasionally. I've built this wall out here to sort of hide my plumbing. Picked all the same pots, but I have very colorful flowers. So I have my hose connection here, my air conditioning unit. I put a number here so I'm easy to find. Let's take a look inside. So this is my wonderful space. This is my kitchen. When you downsize, you have to get rid of a lot. So you end up keeping whatever is really most important to you. I've collected a lot since I've moved in, but they're all wonderful things. I like unique things. I like to thrift. So I have a mini fridge. I have my ice maker that I can use occasionally, and a wonderful coffee pot. I have pictures of my wonderful family. My kids are grown now, and artwork from one of my children. I have a dresser. This was going to be for the washer and dryer, and then I was told we couldn't use washer dryer here in this community. So I have a a dresser here instead, but I'm set up for washer and dryer. We do have a community laundromat, which is just fine, just a few steps away. I have my television, and I have a dresser here. I have 2 record players, and I have my records down here. I don't have a closet, so I keep my clothes up in baskets above my bed. I have a Murphy bed, but I do have some things that I hang here. I feel I have a lot of things, but they're all very unique and special to me. Behind here, we can take a look at. I have a step stool here, which I keep shoes in, so it's good storage. I juice in the mornings. I have a juicer, so I always have lots of fruit around. I have a regular size stove with the hood. I discovered that I do like to cook. I don't have a lot of experience, but I'm trying, so I do enjoy that. I have a little Zen chicken coop. One day I'd like to have my own little piece of land and put my house on it and have chickens. So this wonderful lamp, my very good friend, longtime friend, saved for me. It's an antique, so he had it for a long time. And my other friend made it so I can adjust it on the wall. It's beautiful. It's metal, and it has little bells. It's very special to me. And I have an air purifier and a dehumidifier because there are problems in tiny homes with mold. So that's how I control that. This is my bathroom, which is very, very tiny, but lots of fun. It has everything I need. I have a couple of shelves up for storage. It's a work in progress. I do need more storage. I have a full-size tub because I like my bubble baths. I'm very comfortable here. I've lived in big homes before, and they are nice, but I find that we think we need a lot, but we don't really need all that. It's quite peaceful here, and I have everything I need at arm's reach. Eventually, I'd like to have a little plot of land somewhere, place my house on it, have a little chicken coop, a little she shed, and my own garden, and just be at peace with my plants. If you're thinking about going tiny, you should do it. You'll wonder why you didn't do it before. I always say you can have kind of maybe nicer things, because if you want to tile your wall, you only need 3 or 4 tiles. You don't need 20 of them. So you can have some nice details.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon with another unique home tour.